Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
In this session, we're going to do a 10-minute walk.
Wow.
Now, we're going to do 1 minute gentle walking intervals with 30-second speed intervals. Now, this is going to help you increase your endurance and actually is going to burn more calories because we're going to be doing speed intervals.
That's
and
good.
you know, this kind of like HIIT training actually burns more calories than a steady state single speed kind of workout. All right, so now mom's gonna do this one standing with me. However, you could do this one seated if you like. Okay, so join us. So we're just gonna do straight walking.
Right.
And also it can be done indoors or outdoors. So if you have a cell phone, take us along, let the YouTube video run and listen to us in your ears. All right, and we'll be giving you cues at the 1 minute and 30-second intervals. Now, all right, Mom, any thoughts?
No, let's get going. We gotta walk.
All right, we'll take a pause here and get started. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Just march it out with the feet gently, okay? Getting ready to walk.
Right.
All right. Okay, good. And we're gonna transition into leg swing. So if you need to, be near a countertop or chair, sturdy chair. And we're just gonna swing our legs back and forth, okay? Forward and back. Just open up the hip and the glute area. Give me 4 more. 4, good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stop. Shift weight, and let's do the other leg. So let's do 8. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, and 8, and rest. And if you can face your chair or countertop.
Yeah, we'll do this way.
Oh, you're gonna do, oh, excellent. Okay, we're gonna do some leg swings laterally, side to side. So cross your body, okay? Cross your body, okay? Give me 4 more from here. 4, good. 3, 2, and 1, very nice, stop. And switch the other leg, whichever leg you have, bring it across the body, right, in the front. 2, good. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, and 8, very nice.
All right.
Okay, stop, nice work. Okay, so stand with your feet hip distance apart. You can have your hands on your hips, and let's just do some hip circles. So you're just swinging your hips in a big circle, just like, remember the hula hoop days? Do that, okay? 3, good. 2, and 1. Let's reverse it to the other direction. Good. Good. 2, 3, 4. Give me 4 more from here. How's it going there? You
I'm hanging in there.
look like you're going hippie over there.
I
Okay.
know. Trying to
And
coordinate the hip swings.
that looks very nice. Okay, good work. All right, nice work. Give me some gentle step back. So you're standing tall and you're just stepping it back with the toe, just step it back. It doesn't have to go far back. I just want to wake up that posterior chain, okay? Good, very nice. Stepping it back, good work. Okay, give me 3, 3, good. This is 2, and 2, give me 1 more, and 1, and 1, really nice. Okay, nice work. We also have to wake up the upper body, so give me a reach across the chest to the side, to your right or left. Okay, reach, and reach. Okay, 4 more. This is 3, good. This is 2, and 1, very nice. All right, we'll take a pause here, and we'll get started with our walk. Okay, so let's just start by just gently walking. We're heading out on our walk, whether we're inside or outside.
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Okay, very good. And we're here for 1 minute. So check in with your body, okay? There's no need to be speed demon on this interval. Okay, we're just kind of getting started and walking it out.
Okay.
All right? Yeah, nice work. Okay, and check in with your posture, everyone. You know?
Yeah, that's for sure.
You know, ears, shoulders, hips in alignment, okay? This is your time to focus on form and just to keep those feet moving. Okay, nice work. Breathe it out. And as you notice in this workout, we're not going to use any music. So if you're indoors, put on whatever you want to listen to. All right, keep going. And we're counting down in 5 seconds. We're going to do go into that speed interval. And we're on. Okay, so if you can, speed it up. Okay. This is your time. You get that heart rate up. Okay. Keep it going. And even if you know, depending on what your fitness level is, you could even do a light jog.
Right.
But you make this workout your own. Okay, just pick up the pace, whatever that means to you. And breathe. And now gently, good work. Okay, nice job. Okay, if you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. Good work. Okay, so what do you think of these intervals?
Oh, so far.
So far, we only did one
I only
set.
had one so far.
We're in our second.
Ask me in 10 minutes.
Right. All right. You're looking good. Breathe it out. Make sure you're breathing. Nice and gentle. Keep it going. Okay. Keep going. We're getting ready to do that next speed interval.
Okay.
Okay, and 3, good. 2, and 1. Okay, ramp it up, everybody. Okay, good job. Pick up the pace. Yeah. Whatever that means. Keep it going. Like what I'm seeing here. Keep going. Breathe.
Yeah. Woo.
Okay. 2, 1, and relax. Okay. Nice work, everybody. Okay, now breathe. Take a breath. Slow down. Let's bring that heart rate down.
Yeah.
Now, at this point, think about a time in your life, it doesn't have to be recent, when you did movement and it felt good. So, I can think back even to my my college days. Oh my goodness, right? Right, when I just started running, and I remember how good I felt. So, you do the same. Think about a time when you felt good after exercising, and hold on to that thought. Okay, keep it going, and breathe. Nice job. Looking good. And we're going to that next interval. Okay, pick up the pace. Here we go. Okay, good work. Goal here is to really challenge yourself.
Yeah.
And it's okay to be a little bit breathless after this interval.
Yeah.
Keep it going. A few more seconds. A few more seconds. And breathe. Nice work. Okay. Nice work, everybody. Keep it going. Whew. Check in with your body. And check in with your surroundings, whether you're inside or outside. Look to see if there's something that you're appreciating today. Okay, very nice. Keep it going.
That couch looks good to me.
Oh, is that a couch on the trail? Excellent. It's coming. It sounds like that's your reward at the end. Okay.
That's it.
That's a good reward. So you also think about how you're going to reward yourself after this workout. Oh, breathe, everybody. Okay. Nice, gentle. This is a time for you to just kind of relax. We're going out, and about in 5 seconds, we're going to ramp it up again. Okay? 2, 1, and ramp it up. Okay, good job. Breathe it out. Okay. What I'm seeing here. Good work. You may start to feel dewy at this point.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a little dance move. Excellent. Dancing and walking. Breathe. 10 more seconds. It's good to feel a little dewy in this workout. 3, 2, one, and gently walk it out. Nice work. Okay, excellent work, everybody. Breathe it out. Looking good. Okay, good job. We're past the halfway point, so
That's
you're
good.
looking great. Okay,
I'm glad you said that. Very good.
a few more rounds, but keep it going. Okay, and you can choose to take a sip of water if you need to. Your call. Okay, very nice. Keep it going. March it out. Okay. Breathe. Excellent work. Another 10 seconds. Ooh, here we go. So 5, 4, good. 3, 2, and 1, and ramp it up. Okay, march it out. Maybe some faster stepping. Keep it going. You're looking good. Oh, yes, I like your style. My mom's given me some great walking style there. Great fast walking style. Brisk, fast walking. Good job. And that's what it's all about, making it your own. So 3, 2, 1, and ramp it down. Right? Woo. Woo. Starting to feel dewy?
Yes, Dewey's right.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Okay, nice. Just gentle now. Yeah, just gentle walking. Breathe it out. Okay, nice job. Again, this is your time now. Check in with your body. See how you're feeling.
There's some water.
Okay, have a sip of water. Have a sip of water. Okay? Ramp it down. Anytime during this workout, if you need to rest, rest. Pause it. Take a rest. It's all about building up strength and endurance over time, okay? So you do as much as you can, and maybe the next time you do 10 seconds more, 20 seconds more, okay?
That's true.
So the more important thing is that you're moving and you're with us, so excellent work, okay? Hey, keep it going. Another 5 seconds, and we're gonna ramp it up again. 2, 1, and let's pick up the pace, everybody. Use your arms. You can use your arms. Okay? Breathe. These 30-second rounds are short, but they're impactful. Keep it going. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Nice work. Okay, 5, 4, good. 3, 2, and 1, and walk it out. Nice work, everybody. Fantastic work on these intervals. Okay, this is our last just kind of gentle marching, walking interval before our cool down.
Yay!
Okay, so great work.
Hallelujah.
The crowd goes wild.
That couch is waiting.
All right, keep it going. We're not done yet. Not done yet. Coming in on 30 seconds. Okay? Nice work. Breathe. This is your nice little gentle walk before we cool it down.
Yeah.
You know, check in with your body. You should be proud of yourself for making it to this point.
Good job.
So, pat on the back for you. Good work. All right. Another few seconds here. All right. Breathe, everybody. Nice job. Excellent work on this 10-minute interval walk. All right, you deserve a cool down, so that's what we're going to do right now, okay? So if you're heading home here or you're at home, take a pause and we're going to cool it down. Okay, so, whew. All right, so give me some in and out. Open and close with the arms for one, okay? So you're hugging yourself and then opening up arms to back and hug, open up the chest area and back. Okay, great. And we're going to go into the hamstring stretch. So it's standing feet hip distance apart, one leg straight out in front of you, toe up to the sky or the ceiling, and reach for that toe. You should feel nice stretch, back of that leg. It's some awesome interval work here. So congratulations. Breathe. Hold that stretch. Really nice. Okay, and up. Let's do the other side. Okay. Left side, leg straight, toe up to the ceiling, reach. You don't have to touch it, just reach for it, but feel that nice stretch in the back of your leg. And breathe. Don't forget to breathe. And one more breath.
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's do that calf stretch. My mom can do it against the wall. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like here. It's 1 foot in front, knee over ankle, other leg straight back, heel down. So you feel a nice little calf stretch. Okay?
Yeah.
And you should feel a nice hip opening happening in that leg that's to the back with the heel down. Okay, good job. Okay, I'm going to switch here. My mom already switched. Okay, one leg forward, knee over ankle, and the other leg straight back. And breathe.
That's good.
Good, good work. All right, nice job. Okay, face
job.
forward. Face forward. Give me 3 inhale, exhales up and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Give me one more. Inhale up. And clap at the top if you can. Straighten your arms, inside out hands, and lean to your left. Or you can even bring your hands down, it's fine. Okay, come back to center. Lean to your right. Nice stretch and center. And come on down. Excellent work. Now, if you need more cool down, check out our cool down video. But excellent work. We're so proud of you for making it through this workout and look forward to seeing you in a future workout. In the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.